Hello, my name is Norma with Mommy's Personalized Gifts and DIYs. In this channel, you will be learning how to make and create personalized items for all occasions. You can give them away or you can use them to start your own little business. Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Norma Acosta with Mommy's DIYs, and today I'm gonna show you how I dye a t-shirt like this. I have like a few videos that you can refer to. First we learn how to do the phrases on CRICUT for beginners, and then we actually put this phrase on it. And I went a little bit up ahead and I added rhinestones all around the sleeve, around the neck line. So a t-shirt like this, I think I'm gonna sell it for like $19.99. You guys ask why $19.99? It's because I took a class in college and they said, you always end, if it's gonna be $20, go either $19.95 or $19.99. For some reason, our brain operates that way. When we hear $19.95 or $19.99, our brain thinks that it's less than what it is. So that's just a business tip that I wanted to share with you guys that I've been using for a long time. So a t-shirt like this, depending on the size, I can sell it between $19.95 and $22.95. So let me get my materials ready and let's get to it. Okay, so for this video, you're gonna need your dye. And this one, you guys, I got it at Michael's because I was barely in the trying, phase. And this is what I got. And it has a lot of colors that I can test on. So it was $32 and I got it with the 40% off discount that they had. So you're gonna need that. This comes with a whole bunch of colors, and it also comes with rubber bands, these gloves, about 3 pairs of those, and it comes with this liner. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing one for myself, and I love orange, so I already have my orange. And you're also gonna need a plastic bag. I recycle my bags, I wash them and I dry them so I can reuse them, but you're gonna need a bag, and you're gonna see why you're gonna need a bag. The t-shirt that I'm gonna use is from Next Level, and the name is Ideal, and it's a V-neck. And these t-shirts, I get them through Print Gear. It's a Hanes company that carries other lines as well. But I'm very blessed that I have a warehouse here in Oxnard, which is about 15 to 20 minutes from my house. Print Gear has other, I think, 2 or 3 more warehouses, so you want to look at that. This is if you do business, if you sell a lot. I used to buy them at Walmart. They were very reasonable prices, but sometimes I could not find the same one, to continue printing with the same style. So this one, you get the same style. I get them for $3.75. And when I do the total and I click that I'm gonna pay cash, I get a little extra discount. So I'm gonna put the link, the name of the website down below, and so you can check it out. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna hold our blouse or t-shirt from the middle, and we're gonna start bringing it together. Okay, you're gonna bring it all together, just like that. Okay, and make it more like into a ball. Okay, so here it is. We're going to use about half of the bottle or a little more than a half. But basically what you're going to do, let me unring this and bring it in again. So what you're going to do, you're just going to go on the shirt and you're going to start putting the dye on it. Okay, you can squeeze the bottle a little bit if you want more. Now, if you want it with a lot of color, you like the blue one I show you, you can put more, and then you're gonna go in here and you're gonna squeeze it. Okay, go over the color and just kind of bring it in. Okay, so we're gonna put it more. Don't try to go inside because that's the white areas that to get it like a nice contrast. Okay, so again, we try to pick up all the color in the bottom, and we go here. And again, this is like, you're gonna put as much as you need or you want, okay? When I sell my t-shirts, I tell everybody that not every shirt is gonna look the same, because it's done differently, okay? So now you have it here, and you're just gonna grab it and turn it around and keep doing the same thing on the other side. Okay. So this is a very easy step that I wanted to share with you guys, and I've been very successful. Like, I'm getting, what I do is I make the t-shirts, and then I put them on Facebook to sell, and from there they pick the plain color dye t-shirt, and then they pick if they want something on it, then they pick whatever design they want on it, okay? I've been doing a lot of t-shirts with their picture, because we're using the masks with their picture on it, and I'm gonna put a picture here so you can see it, with their picture on it, and it says, "It's me," and their name. Those are very cute. And I'm also doing a lot of birthday ones. So I think I'm very happy with the results here. I'm just gonna turn it around and put a little more on this side. Just a little more. And there it is. Okay? So the next step you're gonna do, you're gonna put it in the plastic bag, just carefully, the same way. You're gonna put it in here, and you're gonna leave it here for 72 hours, okay? 72 hours. So let's wait for that time, and see you later. Welcome back. So it's been 72 hours, and we're gonna go ahead and open it. We're gonna see the result of the t-shirt. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. So look at this. Look at how beautiful it looks. Okay, let me bring it this way. Okay, and let me turn it around. See, I love it. I love it. You can put more or less, it's up to you. So here it is, you guys. Now what you need to do is you can decide if you want to put a print on it, and then you need to wash it one full cycle, this alone, with hot water, okay, so that some of the paint is going to wash off, and then you can go ahead and sell it. And on your label, you need to go ahead and let them know that you wash it, because it's a dye item, okay? Because once you wash it, it's considered as used. That's why we need to disclose that information, okay? And like I said, you can sell them for like $19.99. The sizes 2X and 3X for $22 or $23.99, which is only the difference of the cost of your t-shirt, okay? That's all for me, you guys. If you like the content of these videos, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Share it with your friends. May the Lord bless you today and every day, and stay safe. Talk to you soon.